All right, wearing a saffron-colored jacket and a Rudraksh chain around his neck, Prime Minister Modi took a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam today and offered prayers to Goddess Ganga. The Prime Minister termed the snan a moment of divine connection. More in this report.
A divine visit and dip of faith. Rudraksh Jap. Tarpan ritual of offering Ganga Jal in reverence of ancestors. And a prayer for peace and harmony. The Prime Minister's Prayagraj pilgrimage for a confluence of faith, devotion and spirituality. Accompanied by the UP Chief Minister, Prime Minister Modi made his way to Triveni Sangam in a boat, waving to lakhs of devotees present at the Mahakumbh. He took a tour of the ghats, reviewing the arrangements. As mantras chanted by saints and seers filled the air, the Prime Minister made his way to the Sangam. Dressed in a saffron jersey, Adidas track pants with a blue stole and Rudraksh mala around his neck, Prime Minister Modi took the sacred dip. He called the snan at Sangam a moment of divine connection. The Prime Minister then performed the Mahaganga Aarti, wearing a Pahadi topi and puffer jacket. The Prime Minister said he sought blessings for peace, wisdom, good health and harmony for all. Taking to X, Prime Minister Modi wrote that he was blessed to be at the Mahakumbh, calling it a confluence of faith, devotion and spirituality. The Prime Minister is now among nearly 40 crore devotees who have visited the Kumbh this year. With Samarth Srivastav in Prayagraj, Bureau Report, India Today.
Going straight across to Samarth Srivastav, who's been tracking that big story from Prayagraj. Samarth, the Prime Minister's visit, of course, was scheduled, but we've seen the kind of comments that have come in, and predictably so, isn't it, from the opposition, saying that the timing of this was perfect, it was matched with the polling event, with the polling in the national capital, and to send out a message to consolidate votes. All of this has been said by the opposition.
Well, exactly. Opposition has taken down on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's this particular visit in Mahakumbh, as we know that it's fifth. So in Delhi, elections are happening, while in Ayodhya's Milkipur, elections are happening, and that's why the opposition is saying this particular thing. Also, it's worth mentioning here what actually happened on the day of Mauni Amavasya, the stampede which killed around 30 people, leaving 90 persons injured. So opposition is also saying that within not even a week has passed of this particular stampede, and Prime Minister is going to take the holy dip at this particular location where Mahakumbh is happening. While the BJP is saying that it is just about the spiritualism of Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and that's why he went there and took the holy dip, because every Mahakumbh, Ardh Kumbh or this Purn Kumbh, he has been there in Prayagraj to take the holy dip. So that's why, that's what the BJP is clearly saying. While if you see the entire program of Prime Minister of India, it was quite short, quite brief, just 2.5 hours he was there. He met Mahamandaleshwar, Acharya Mahamandaleshwar of various akhadas. He spent some time with CM Yogi Adityanath while moving to the Triveni Sangam, where Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati all come together to make a sacred water of Triveni, and he left the place and moved to Delhi. Though this could have been a long protocol or long event, but maybe due to stampede-like situation that happened, maybe Prime Minister was also upset with that situation, because he also spoke to CM Yogi Adityanath 4 times when the stampede happened in Prayagraj. But now leaders like Akhilesh Yadav, Mallikarjun Kharge are taking on the BJP and also on PM Modi about his visit to Mahakumbh at a time when 7 days before 30 persons lost their lives and many still missing. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Samar Srivastava getting us up to speed with those details as far as the Prime Minister's visit to Mahakumbh early today is concerned.